Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to McNaught Cadillac. This is Riley here, and I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Custom. This is a custom Jeep here that we took in on trade. It's got just over 62,000 kilometers on the odometer as of this video. And some of the main features I'm going to talk about include your PIAA off-roading lights. You've got your Warren winch here on the front end. We've got the 3.6 liter V6 engine under the hood, and that is going to be paired up with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Absolutely bulletproof engine and transmission combo, so you could definitely expect plenty of life left in your Jeep. You've got the 2-inch lift kit on this particular Jeep with your DuraTrack off-road tires, 18-inch rims, I should say, on here. An absolutely gorgeous vehicle, mint condition. And it is certified pre-owned, guys, so you know you're getting some quality out of this one. Now you've got the side steps alongside there. That's going to allow you to get into the Jeep a lot easier, especially with that added height from the lift kit. On the back end here, you've got the DuraTrack off-road tire, of course. We're going to open up the trunk, take a look at the room you've got inside here. You've got the WeatherTech off-road, all-weather mat, I should say, on the back end. And then, of course, plenty of storage space back here if you need to store some items. You could drop those seats down nice and flat for some extra space if that's what you're looking for. Now moving around the other side, all 4 wheels are in great condition. Still plenty of tread left on those tires as well. And we're going to open up the Jeep here and take a look inside. Now once we take a look inside the Jeep here, you've got the black cloth interior, I should say. You do have the Sahara logo stitched on here, really nice and clean. Heated front seats, of course, and you've got your Jeep branded all-weather mats in the front end as well. Now, as we take a look inside the Jeep itself, we're going to go over some of the main selling features about this vehicle here, starting off on the steering wheel, where you're going to find your hands-free Bluetooth call buttons and your menu options to configure the display that you've got on the front dash here. Of course, you could change the info that's displayed on there. You've got your cruise controls on the right, and then you've got your radio volume on the back end of the steering wheel itself. Now on the touchscreen itself, you are going to find your Sirius XM radio, AM, FM, and then you've also got USB and auxiliary. Another cool feature about this Jeep is the navigation system, which is built in and ready to go. You've got the power windows, of course, climate controls. You've got your hill descent assist, your traction control, and then the option to turn on and off your power plug, your power adjustable side view mirrors, and your DC 12-volt outlet. Now down below here, you are going to find your 4x4 controls. You've got your 4 high, 4 low, all of that stuff for going off-roading, which you're going to use, of course. You've got your gear selector with your manual shifting mode, your heated front seats, and your parking brake. And inside the armrest itself, you are going to find another DC outlet if you need to plug in a phone. And of course, you've got your 115-volt wall outlet down there. Now, backseat space in the Wrangler is exceptional. You've got plenty of legroom for 3 more passengers back here. Like I said, you could remove the seats, drop the seats, whatever you want if you need more storage space instead. You've got your cup holders down below and your all-weather mat in the back end, so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet dirty whatsoever in this vehicle. Now the hard top is removable, of course. There's no soft top with this particular model, but of course you want the hard top anyways for the winter time. Last feature I want to mention, I forgot to say it before, but you've got the Xrc Front Bumper here. Really beautiful, and it gives it a more aggressive look, as well as the added ground clearance from the lift kit. So all in all, if you're looking for a solid, reliable off-roading vehicle, this 2013 Jeep Wrangler is incredible. You got to come down to McNaught, take a look at it for yourself, and we'd be happy to help you out.